Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's been on everyone's minds for quite some time: the future of artificial intelligence. AI has come a long way since its inception and is now an integral part of our daily lives. However, as we move forward, there are both opportunities and challenges that come with it. Why are we waiting for it? So let's get started. The future of artificial intelligence, opportunities and challenges. Opportunities. Firstly, let's talk about the opportunities that AI presents. AI has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, including healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AI can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and even predict potential health risks. Self-driving cars are already on the roads, and AI can help make transportation more efficient and safe. In manufacturing, AI can improve the speed and accuracy of production lines. Another opportunity that AI presents is its ability to automate mundane tasks. This will allow humans to focus on more complex tasks that require creativity and critical thinking. In the future, we may see a shift in the types of jobs available, with more emphasis on jobs that require emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. Challenges. Now, let's talk about the challenges that come with AI. One of the most significant challenges is ensuring that AI is used ethically and responsibly. There are concerns about AI being used to discriminate against certain groups of people or to invade people's privacy. We need to ensure that AI is designed and used in a way that is fair and respects human rights. Another challenge is the potential loss of jobs due to automation. As AI becomes more advanced, more jobs may become automated, leading to a loss of employment for many people. It is important to consider how we can address this issue and ensure that people are not left behind as the economy changes. Finally, there are concerns about the safety of AI. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a risk of it becoming uncontrollable and causing harm. We need to ensure that we have proper safeguards in place to prevent this from happening. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of artificial intelligence is both exciting and challenging. AI presents numerous opportunities to revolutionize industries and improve our daily lives. However, we need to be mindful of the challenges that come with AI and ensure that we use it ethically and responsibly. By doing so, we can ensure that AI benefits everyone and helps us create a better future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.